Hello students and welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushbu Jain and Vedic Maths Mastery, it's my channel name. So in the today's video we'll basically learn a very unique and exciting technique of Vedic Maths, series of 1. Basically in this technique I will just show you some questions in which you can easily multiply any number by 11 or 111 and many more numbers. So how can it work? And we can calculate these questions according to this trick within just a 5 seconds, and I'll just show you how it is done. See, a regular math, as you all know that there are so many intermediary steps that we have to solve it. But in the Vedic math, we have to basically apply and implement this short technique and we can get the answer in just a one line. So in this procedure, in this technique, we can solve these numbers. Basically, 11, one series means 1, 11 or a 111 and 1111 and so on. So we can multiply any kind of, number with this one series. So we just see how basically it works. See, this is the number and we have to multiply with 11. So how it works? See, you have to just put down this number on the your राइट हैंड साइड पार्ट. आपको सिर्फ 3 जो डिजिट है वो नीचे लेकर के आना है. जो राइट हैंड साइड की 3 डिजिट है वो आपको यहाँ नीचे एज इट इज लेकर आना है, जो भी नंबर आपको यहाँ दिया हो. और उसके बाद आपको जो मिडल नंबर्स हैं वो आपको ऐड करने हैं. तो 3 और 2 आप ऐड करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट 5 इन द मिडल digit, you will get the, and then you have to basically put down the left hand side part digit. So 2 you will put down. So this is the answer, and I hope I will get the answer in just 5 seconds. So I just move to next question. See, I just put down 5 number as it is, and then I have to add these 2 digits. So I will add 2 digits and I will get 9, and then I have to put 4. So this is the right answer. See, within 5 seconds we have get the answer in just a one line. So move to next question. See, there is a basically carryover. If there is a large digits, you can see there is a number we can easily add and put there. But there is a large digit. 9 plus 3 will become 12. So what we have to do is, when we will add this digit, so I will just write it down 2 in the middle of the section and just add 1 in the left hand side part. So when I will just put down the 9, so 9 plus 1 will become 10. So I will just write down 10, and this is the answer. See how easy it is, how easily we get the answer in just a one line. And I will show you some more questions by which, if there is a large numbers and you have to multiply with 11 or a 111, so how can you get the answer? So there is a one short technique of this, and you will get, you can solve any question easily. You can get solve any question. See, I will just put down 5, and then I will add this 6 plus 5. You know that 11. So I will just 1 add it and carry over it, and 6, when I will just put down 6 on the left hand side, just I will add 1. So I will get 7. So 7 1 5. This is the answer. So just move to next question. So I will just tell you how basically work on other large digits. So students, this is the question. As you can see here, this is a large question. Okay, and there is a 111. So there is a ones, basically 3 ones over here. So how can we basically multiply this? So there is a technique. There is no technique we can use. There is only 11 with the technique. We can use 2 over here, 3 over here, and in the middle is we have to add it. वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ 11 की सीरीज के साथ ही हम उनको उस टेक्निक को यूज़ करते हैं. बट अब आपको मैं ऐसी टेक्निक बता रही हूँ जो आप हर किसी डिजिट के साथ इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. मैं अभी आपको और क्वेश्चन बताऊंगी, आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज, बेसिकली वी हैव 3 ones over here. So what we have to do is, we have to put 2 dashes in the behind and 2 dashes in the front. So if there is a 3 ones, so you have to cut it 1 and then 2 dashes in the front and in the behind. If there is a 4 ones, what you have to do is, you have to cut it 1 and then 3 ones, 3 dashes in the behind and 3 dashes in the front. So what we have to do is, at the time of addition, what we have to do is we have to add 3 digit at the same time. So we have to add 3 digit at the same time. So 1 2 3 3 टाइम 3 digits we have to at the same time, क्योंकि हमारे पास 3 वंस हैं। तो जब 3 वंस होंगे तो एक वंस आपको कट करना है, 2 डैशेस आपको यहाँ रखने हैं, एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ एडिशन आपको जितने वंस यहाँ पर दिए होंगे उतने ही एडिशन आपको करना है। सो जीरो, आप इसको जीरो भी ले सकते हो, डैश भी ले सकते हो, इट्स टोटली अप टू यू कि आप इसको जीरो मान के चलो या डैश मान के चलो, आपकी मर्जी है। तो डैश प्लस 2 विल गेट 2। फिर 1 हम डैश को रिमूव कर देंगे, फिर हम इन 3 डिजिट्स को ऐड करेंगे, यानी कि 1 डैश आपका यहाँ से कट हो गया, देन विल ऐड 3 डिजिट्स यहाँ पे। तो जीरो है, एक तरह से आप डैश ले सकते हो, डैश प्लस 2 प्लस जीरो विल गेट 2। अगेन मैं ये 2 को कट कर दूंगी, मतलब डैश को कट कर दूंगी, देन मेरे पास 2 पर आ गई मैं 2 0 और 3, तो आई विल गेट 5। ओके, एंड देन आई विल कट 2 एंड आई विल जस्ट ऐड 3 digits like 0 3 and 0, so I will get 3। अगेन मैं इसको कट कर दूंगी एंड 3 डैश डैश, सो आई विल गेट 3। आप देख सकते हो कि मेरे पास यहाँ खत्म भी हो गया, क्योंकि 3 डैशेस मुझे, मतलब 3 डिजिट्स मुझे ऐड करने होते हैं, तो 3 मेरा यहाँ खत्म हो चुके हैं। 3 के बाद अगर मैं इसको कट करती हूँ तो मेरे पास 3 डिजिट्स तो नहीं है, तो मैं इसको और आगे मतलब कन्वे नहीं करूँगी, मैं इसको यहीं तक ही छोड़ दूँगी। तो मेरे पास ये आंसर आ गया। ये एक बेसिकली बहुत ही यूनिक टेक्निक है वैदिक मैथ्स के अंदर, जिसमें आप कितनी भी लार्ज डिजिट, शॉर्ट डिजिट, लार्ज डिजिट को 11 111 या 1111 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं। जस्ट मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, देन आई विल स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू कैन सी हियर देयर इज अ लार्ज डिजिट, देयर इज अ 4 नंबर डिजिट एंड देयर इज अ 4 वंस। So what we have to do is we have to just cut it 1 once and just put it 3 dashes in the behind and 3 dashes in the front. So at the time of addition what we have to do is we have to add 4 digits at the same time, because we have 4 ones over here. So what we have to do is, see, there is a basically a very unique technique. You can multiply any kind of digit with the series of 1 through this technique. So just we have to add it. See, 0 0 0 plus 2 will become 0. I will just cut it, and 0 plus 2 plus 2 will become 4. I will just cut it down. 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 will become, it will become 6, and I will just cut it down. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will become 8. I will just write it down here and just cut it down. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0, it will become 6 again, and I will just cut it down to 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0, it will become 4. I will just cut it down, and 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, it will become 2. So I think you have seen so many questions in shorts and other videos as well of the Vedic maths, in which you can just add these 2 digits like this and then these 2 digits like this. So this is a very confusing techniques by which basically someone teaches like this. So these are very confusing techniques. Vedic maths basically show you so many techniques, but the easy way I am teaching, I think you have cleared this, because I of easiest if you understand the techniques. So this is the Vedic maths. Vedic maths means कि जब आप बहुत easily इसको सीख सकते हैं, आपका बिल्कुल बाएं हाथ का खेल आप easily सीख सकते हैं। easiest way है हर एक टेक्निक को सीखने का। मैंने बहुत ही इजी वे में बहुत सारी चीज़ें सिखाई हैं, क्रिस क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन वगैरह। आप चेकआउट करें, आपको पता लगेगा कि कितने इजी वे में आप सीख सकते हैं और हर तरह की डिजिट आप मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं। शॉर्ट्स देखने की जरूरत नहीं कि आपको एक पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न को ही फॉलो करना है तो ही वो ट्रिक फॉलो होगी, नहीं, आप किसी भी ट्रिक को। जस्ट मूव टू नेक्स्ट अनदर क्वेश्चन, एंड देयर इज अ लार्ज डिजिट बट वंस आपका वहाँ पे कम होंगे तो आप कैसे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं। जस्ट मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Students, this is the next question. As you can see on the board, this is the basically question. Have you seen these type of questions in your NCERT book? Have you seen these questions in your competitive exams when it comes? So many questions in exams. These type of questions already come in exams. Always see the pattern which I already told you. The same digit above and the same digits below, same ones below, but there is no balance. As you can see here, there is a large digit and only 2 ones in the below. So how can we basically find out? See, as I told you, the technique I teach, you can find out any kind of digit by these two one series. See, there is a two ones. What we have to do is one we will cut down and just put one dash in the behind and one dash in the front. So what we have to do is there is a two ones. So at the same time, at the time of addition, we have to add two digits at the same time. So I'll just add it. 0 plus 3, it will become 3. I'll just cut it down, and 3 plus 0, it will become 3. Again I will just cut it down. 0 plus 8, it will become 8. I will just cut it down. I am just cutting for you only. You can just keep it in your mind and just do it calculation without cutting it. Okay. Next is I just 8 plus 1, it will become 9. I will just cut it down. So 1 plus 9, it will become 10. 10 के लिए I'll just put it 1. आज मैं कैरी ओवर कर दूंगी 1 को यहाँ पर, तो मैं इसको कट डाउन कर दूंगी. 9 प्लस 2, इट विल बिकम 11 प्लस 1 12. 12 का 2 यहाँ पर आ गया एंड 1 अगेन आई विल जस्ट कैरी ओवर इट. 9 में कट करूंगी. 2 प्लस 0 विल 0 एंड 1 विल बिकम 3. तो 320983 it is the answer. See how easily we get the answer. See, this is the series of 1. Easily within 10 to 15 minutes, the quality time you have given to this video. According to this video, you have learned a series of 1 in just some seconds. So it's a very easy technique, and if you think that the way I teach and learning the Vedic maths, it's I think you need to learn. So it's basically helping competitive exam as well. So if you think the way I teach, it's really like you, and you have learned this video, this technique from this video, so you can just like the video. Whatever the questions if you have regarding this technique, you can just write in the comment section, and in the future I will definitely give you some more and more interesting unique techniques of Vedic maths. So just check out if so you can subscribe my channel, and till then, bye bye and stay healthy.